$10,000 portfolio website for $0? It sounds clickbait, but it's not. This has been gatekept by designers and developers for too long. It's time the world finds out about it. In this video, I will show you 3 proven methods to get a premium, polished, high-converting landing page or any other website for absolutely free. First method is the fastest and easiest. Second one is a little tricky, and I'm saving the best one for last, so watch until the end to find out. Method 1. Utilize free templates from Framer Marketplace. Framer is a powerful web design platform that offers a variety of free, customizable templates suitable for portfolios, landing pages, and more. To get started, Step 1. Visit Framer website. Navigate to the Framer Marketplace to explore a wide range of free templates. Step 2. Select a template. Browse through the collection and choose a template that aligns with your style and professional needs. Step 3. Customize your site. Use Framer's intuitive editor to personalize the template, adjusting colors, fonts, images, and content to reflect your brand. This approach allows you to quickly set up a professional-looking website with minimal effort, but the website quality isn't as good as the other 2 methods. Method 2. Collaborate with emerging web design agencies. Newly established web design agencies sometimes offer free services to build their portfolios and gain testimonials. This method is the trickiest to find, but you will get a fully customized website tailored to you this way, not a template that you have to customize. To find such opportunities, Step 1. Research emerging agencies. Look for announcements from agencies on X that are launching or rebranding. Step 2. Monitor platforms. Keep an eye on professional networks and forums where agencies might post about free service offerings. Step 3. Reach out. Contact these agencies to inquire about potential collaborations. While this method may require more effort and patience, it can result in a bespoke, high-quality website tailored to your specific needs. Method 3. Designers' website template promotions. Many Framer designers earn a living by selling insane Framer templates, and when they release a new template, they always promote it by making it free for the first few days. But how do you find these opportunities? Step 1. Search for Framer designers. On X, search for terms like Framer template, and the best Framer designers will start to show up on your homepage. Step 2. Look for giveaways. Designers often post promotions where they offer free templates in exchange for likes, reposts, or comments. For example, a designer might tweet, "Just made my Framer template concrete. To celebrate the launch, it will be free for 2 days." Step 3. Participate in promotions. Engage with these posts as instructed to receive the free templates. By actively participating, you can access premium quality templates that are typically sold for significant amounts. Thanks for watching. So if you enjoyed this video, please subscribe for more tips and tricks. See you in the next one.